Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for today's episode of Crafting with Class. Today, I am sharing the cards I created with the Anna Griffin Celebration Card Kit. This was her today's special, and I'm focusing on the Christmas edition because there was like a birthday one. These are the cards that I created. I think there were 18 total. And I will also share the ones where I shop my stash. Now let's get started and I hope you enjoy. So some of these cards I used the inspiration sheet, as a starting point because I like to do that to get myself warmed up before I start putting my own touches on them. So some of these are from the inspiration sheet and then some of these are just like my own take. And so let's start off with this one. Now, I used in the background this beautiful die. I love this die set. It is, I have it right here, the Decorative Layers dies. It comes with 3 dies. One of them is this Christmas one. I love this die set. The dies in here are gorgeous. It's just beautiful. So there's one there, and then you get another one there. So it comes with those 3. Love it. Then I added some sequins, and the sequins I always like to add a little bit of stickles in the middle just to give it more like blingy. To me, it's like jewelry, jewelry for cards. And then I added some of that snow glitter and then some more stickles. So, I just like adding little touches just to make it mine. Next card is this one with the poinsettias and the wreath. And then I added a little bit of the Viva Decor pen to, make those berries pop. And then I added a little bit of glitter there, of the stickles, I should say. And yeah, pretty. Oh, this die in the back is the one that you get when you buy the Empress. So it's this one with the Empress machine. And next up is some Christmas roses. So this one I added a bow and then I added some clear sequins with some diamond glitter there just to make it sparkle. So there's that. Next one is with the Christmas flower. I think, is this an amaryllis? I don't know. I just know roses and orchids. So there's that with the spray of flowers and a bow. And then you'll see that beautiful die again. You'll see this die like a lot because I really love it. It has such a beautiful detail. And here's another Christmas rose and that pretty flower. So this one has lots of layers on there. It's lovely. And then here's this one with the Christmas bells. So again, you'll see a lot of those repeated elements, sequins and glitter, the Viva Decor pin. Next, this one is a very simple card. It didn't take me a lot of time at all because how she does those card toppers. Oh my gosh, those are amazing for quick cards. So card topper, embellishment, done. Like super easy. And this one's great because it's a little flatter than the other, so it'll be easy to mail. All right, next is this floral one. These flowers are so pretty. Now on the berries on here, I didn't use the Viva Decor pen. I actually just used some crystal glaze. And I love this because it makes those berries pop. They look juicy. Although I don't think you're supposed to eat the berries. I think they're poisonous, but these are good. So there's that. Okay, next I have this one here with, again, those beautiful florals and the wreath, berry sequins. This is the one that came with the Empress. So there's that. Next is this one with the Christmas roses. Again, really simple because this is just that card topper, add a bow, a couple of embellishments, done. Like so cute too. I love it when it's easy, but I like all the things on top too. So just depends. Then here is this poinsettia, or is it poinsettia? I don't know. How do you guys pronounce this? Poinsettia or poinsettia? Anywho, it's that flower. And so you see all the elements and you'll see that background die there. And this is the last one using Anna's kit that I made because you can make 48. I think I have, I don't know how many here. So you'll see all those elements there with the snow glitter and the sequins. So these are all the cards that I made with the kit so far. Like I said, you can make 48, but these are, I think, only 12, if I'm not mistaken. So let me show you the ones where I went rogue. Okay, first card is this one. It says a very Merry Christmas to you. So I use Anna's embellishments, the card base, but this is a stamp set and coordinating die. So this one's from Concord and 9 called Christmas Florals. So I use this image and then the coordinating dies. So that's how it looks, but look at it works, right? So you can use whatever you have in your stash. Don't feel like you're limited to, only what comes in a kit. Next card. Now, for this, I wanted to use the sentiments from the die set here. It's called Season's Greetings. This is a fabulous set. So it comes with several dies, big, wonderful greetings. So you'll see a lot of those. If you don't have this one, super recommend. Love it. So it comes with the shadow die and then the detail die to put on top. So it's perfect, right, for these jingle bells. So there's that one. And notice it's the same card. All right, next is Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. So there's Anna Santa stickers. Now these, I actually took them apart so that I could just use them as one layer and use, them on other cards. And then this like ribbon threaded detail is made. So this die is, what is this one called? Handsome 3D concentric layer dies. And so I use the main die. And so because it has these little holes there, I don't know, to me, it just called to be threaded. So I just used some scraps of gold cardstock that I had, and I just threaded them through just to give it that like a ribbon kind of look. You know what I mean? And then just added some more glitter, sparkle. And then the next one is another Santa card. So this one's probably the one that was attached to that one. So there's this one, Believe in the Magic of Christmas. So you'll recognize that background die I used a lot. And with Santa, I actually used my stylus ball to give him some dimension. So his beard and his face is a little rounded. So I don't know if you can see that there. So it's I don't know, I love those little details. Next up is the Santa one. So this one is Ho Ho Ho. This is again another one with those diamond press sentiments. And then this repeat offender here. So pretty. Okay, and all the presents and the trees. And then this is the last one. So this is another sentiment die, peace and joy. So I cut it out of gold glitter cardstock and then green foil and then added all of Anna's pretties. So I think that makes for a lovely card as well. So that is all of the cards that I've made using this kit. I mean, you can make so many more, but that's all I need for now. So I'm really happy that I'm going to get these ready to go out to the mail. Some of these are going to be hand delivered. So between the ones from Create and these and everything else, I am covered this Christmas. Everybody gets a card. Yay. I'm so happy about that. So do you have all your cards ready, friends? I hope so. And if you don't, you have still some time. So get going. And I hope this inspires you. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. I always am very appreciative of that. Thanks for visiting. And if you want to watch anything more, here are a couple suggestions from me. Until next time, bye.